So in this video, we're gonna be um just doing mental multiplication. So in this video, we're gonna just do some mental multiplication. So our first problem is 6 times 60. So um yeah, 6 times 60. So that's 6 times 60. Now we have to solve it. So mental multiplication is like you have to remove the zero. First we're gonna do 6 times 6. 6 times 6, if we know, um, 6 times 6 is 36. 36. And now our zero that we removed, we're gonna put it here. This is mental multiplication. As you can see, um, first we need to in the problem we need to remove all the zeros and do the problems like these. Then we need to multiply 6 times 6 and 36. Then you add those left zeros. So as you can see here, so the first problem answer is 360. So this is just mental multiplication. It's not hard. When you see this problem, you're like, oh my God, it's so hard. I can't do it. But if you look at this as a mental multiplication, you can use mental multiplication. So it's not that hard. If you say so. This is our first answer. Let's go to another problem, which is 5 times 70. 5 times 70. Let's do this. So 5 times 70. Okay. So what? Let's remove our zero again. What is 5 times 7? 5 times 7. So yeah, we need to see what is 5 times 7. So you figure it out. Okay. Pause the video and figure it out. All right. So okay. So the answer is 35. 35. And now we need to bring back our zero again. So let's put our zero. And for this problem, our answer is 350. Now this problem is a little different. Um, this problem is a little different. So we okay. Now we have two zeros in this problem, so we're gonna cut this zero and this zero out. Now we need to do 3 times 2. Now 3 times 2 equals 6, and then we need to add the two zeros. These two zeros, we're gonna add it. So 6, and add those two zeros here. And as you can see, this is mental multiplications. As you easy, it's really not hard, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. As you can see, so yeah, it's really easy, and keep working on math. And bye bye.